Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix eFootball mobile error code 202600. So first thing you want to do is simply email the game itself. Here, I emailed them through the app. Then they kept going back and forth about it. Now if you're using an Apple device, next thing you want to do is try to call the Apple, and then they will tell you that you can't refund it anymore, but they will give you a case ID to submit to your bank. Now go to your bank and submit all the proofs, and you need to do a merchant dispute and you will get your refund. Now then, the economy offered to give the coin back, knowing I already filed for merchant dispute. It was too late now. I suggest to you to simply refund it to your bank, because if you wait for it, for the economy to offer to give your coins back, it will take a lot of time. So simply refund it through your bank. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.